Hi, I'm Susan. I hope you're doing great today. Today I'm participating in week 2 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. This challenge is hosted by Margarete Miller. I'll have her channel listed in my description box down below, as well as the hashtag 2023CWP2. So today's prompts are our least favorite color, and I really do not have a least favorite color, but I'm going with the gray because I think all colors have a purpose. Sewing notion, I've got these buttons. Something out of the recycle bin. My sweet husband got me some flowers, so this was what it was wrapped in. I saved that. A foreign language, I've got this in French. Tea bag cover, I don't have a tea bag cover, so I just made my own. And the bonus is fiber, yarn, or string, and I've got this pretty golden string. So I hope you'll enjoy what I make. I hope you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's week 2 finished. I've got my least favorite color, which, like I said, I don't have a least favorite color, but I chose gray. And I think that if you have a least favorite color, mix it with gold or mix it with a color that you like. And a sewing notion, I've got my buttons. Something out of the recycle bin, I've got this paper. A foreign language, I've got this right here. A tea bag cover, I made my own. And the bonus fiber, yarn, or string. And I love this gold string, but boy, it's a doozy to work with. it just wants to come apart. But I just think it brings a lot to the page. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP2. So I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.